Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me the toy back, Louie. Louie, it's not just your toy. He's like, yeah, but it should be. Sherlock, you stole it from the baby. Here we go. Come on. Trying to get all three of you on the bed. No. Louie. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Give me. You're bending the stick, Lo. Come on. Oh my god, you're like hugging that. Okay, Louie. This is how I know that they're not really that playful this morning, because, you know, I'm able to, by Hunter, able to actually reach in and grab the toy. See if we can get Sherlock. Hi. Good boy. Oh, you got a good boy. No. Oh, yes. I wasn't playing. There we go. Good boy, Hunter. See, this is how you... No, it's my toy. My toy. Mine. Louie! You're taking off with the... Sherlock, you're scaring the kitten. You're like too violent with the toy. Well, you kill the toy every time you get it. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, Sherlock. To think he's actually reaching my waist when he leaps up like that. Good boy. Oops, sorry, Sherlock. Hunter. He's like, I don't know if I should. I want to. This is the most I've seen him play ever. Come on.